Welcome to Wiki Journal. In this informative tutorial, I will teach you how to do strike through on Instagram. Before starting a video, if you are the new user on our channel, please subscribe to our channel. So let's go toward the video to show you that how to do strike through on Instagram. So when you are using Instagram, it is important to grab your follower attention with a creative text style. So the strike through as on Instagram is one such useful text formatting option that adds flair to your post. In this guide, we will learn how to use it effectively on platform. Let's go started. So the strike through is a text formatting option that you may noted on your notes on in your stories, etc. So it is a text formatting option that allow you to cross out text in your Instagram bio, captions, comments, etc. When you use it. Now the selection text appear with a line through the middle, indicating that it has been crossed out. Note that strike through formatting may not be available in all languages or in all devices, but if you want to try strike through on Instagram, we will help you out in this. It's that if you are using a show user and you can cross etc of the Android what you are using, so we will help you and contact us through the given Gmail and phone number. If this video is informative for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.